beautiful person watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hang a tapestry without ruining your walls. Currently, I have this tapestry being held up on the corners and in the middle just with these tiny command strips. This is a good option for hanging your tapestry, but if you want an option that's a little bit more foolproof, then keep watching. So I got the idea to hang the tapestries with some clothespins. I got these from the dollar store, I believe. I'm going to paint the clothespins black to match the tapestry and the color scheme of my room. You can paint or stain them whatever color you would like. I'm going to paint about 4 to 6 clothespins. I'm not sure how many I'll need, so hopefully this will be enough. Now that we've painted all the clothespins and let them dry, you can either leave them as is for a more matte look, or you can add a layer of Mod Podge or your choice of sealant to give the glossy look. I kind of like the rustic look of the matte paint, so I won't be adding a gloss. To attach the clothespin to the wall, I'll be using these small picture hanging command strips. These are the same ones that I originally used to hang up my tapestry just straight to the wall. I got these from Walmart, but you can buy them from so many different stores. We'll start by taking the side that's not for the wall off and sticking it onto the clothespins and pressing firmly. Now it's time to finally hang the tapestry. I'm going to hold it up where I would like for it to go first. And from there, I added a clothespin to the middle where the walls meet to see how it looks. You're going to need some patience and probably a stool like I needed. It took me a couple tries to get it how I like. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more from me, then click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload next. Have a prosperous day!